This is Car Guys Talk with Andrew and Tavarish.
Andrew, you said that you had a car experience. You want to have a car you talked about?
Yeah.
Or a car, you want to talk about a car you saw, rather?
Yeah. It made me real sad.
Did it?
Yeah. So a few days ago, I was running errands around town, and I stopped and got gas. And as I'm filling up my car, there is a little, I would say, maybe 06, 07 Hyundai Accent that rolled into the gas station.
All right.
Black with some like real special like discount tire type rims. You know, the black rims with the machine face.
So they like American racing.
I don't know. It was stock
Do you
suspension.
mean like are you talking about tires or wheels?
The wheels.
Okay, so the wheels that you get at like AutoZone or something.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like just like discount tire special.
Gotcha.
Maybe like, you know, $75 a wheel, like Motegi or something. I don't know.
All right.
So they roll in, and I hear that there is an exhaust. I can hear that it's in automatic.
Okay.
And
it's in automatic, not in the sport double clutch mode.
It is an automatic,
okay.
And it rolls up to the pump next to me, and the owner decides to rev the engine, and the worst part is he had a fake blow-off valve attached to this car.
Oh, wow. Okay, so what was it? How was a fake blow-off valve noise? Was it an electronic one, or was it just like one of those turbo whistle dealies?
I'm pretty sure it was just it may have been an electronic one, because it only activated like at the top of the rev, like you would rev and then let off. And it would make a noise.
Are you sure that the car wasn't turbocharged?
Positive. Positive.
Okay. Sometimes they're a little deceiving.
No, there was no deception.
Okay, all right.
I am no fool.
Okay.
At this point, I was basically done filling up my car, so I was getting into my car as he decided to, rev his. I think those have like what? 3 cylinders, 2.5 cylinders. Are there cylinders in the accident? I don't even know.
I think they're like 1.5 liters or something. Well, okay. To his, it was an 06 or something.
I want to say like an 06,
okay,
05, 06.
Okay, so mid 2000s was probably one of the worst times for Hyundai because they were just getting into their own, and then they got like Hyundais are good now.
They are, yeah.
But back then, they were still in a transitional period where they weren't really like Kia and Hyundai. They were kind of trying to find their niche.
They were still trash.
However, the early ones, the early 90s Hyundais, so they were bad. However, they had a derivative of the 4G63 Mitsubishi Eclipse Talon engine. So a popular swap was to do the 4G63 turbo.
Yep.
And you would have a sleeper that could beat Vipers in a car that was worth like $300.
Yep.
That was a really good sleeper, but I'm not sure if the 06 had that. They probably had some derivative Kia engine, whatever smallest engine that they had. I remember one of my friends had a Kia Sophia, and I think that was an 03 or 04. And dude, this guy, he put like, he put an exhaust. He had like a bigger throttle body, but the throttle body. First of all, who makes bigger throttle bodies for a Kia Sophia?
Idiots.
Like, if it's the one thing that this car needs, it's more air, because it's just they leave a lot on the table on that car.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
No, but he put a bigger throttle body, and then the car wouldn't run because he also didn't really know how to work on cars. So he left like a huge gap in the so it was like a lot of unmetered air, and the car ran like crap. But yeah, those cars were pretty bad. So it was black with some.
With the black wheels and the machine
So
lips.
just completely riced out. Did you take a picture or anything like that?
Oh, no.
Okay.
No, I didn't want to break my camera. So I get in my car. I start it up, because I got to outrice this guy. So
wait till he hears this.
Yeah. So I stay in first as I leave the gas pump, and I'm going towards the exit, and I kind of like, and like I let my real blow off valve, tell him what's up, and then I hit him with a couple of pop backfires to kind of scare him and like put some sense into this person.
And then that's when you realize that the gas pump was still connected, and then the the guy's now on fire.
Everything was on fire, and that was that.
There was so much screaming, I just left.
How much of an ego do you have that you need to put a fake blow-off valve and crappy rims on a Hyundai accident? Like, what is wrong with you?
So, yes. So, I think that people like that stuff. I don't mind because it's all cosmetic and it just looks kind of funny. I don't mind that as much as I mind, the stretched wheels and whatnot.
That's fair because at least this car looked to be safe on the road. It looked to be like...
Well, the jury's still out on that, but...
Sure.
But,
it is called a Hyundai accident for a reason.
Yeah.
You know what? He may have done it totally ironically, and if that's the case, then I'm totally for it because I think that's hilarious.
Well, then he also got you a little bit because, you had to go out and first.
Yeah, absolutely.
And you had to
absolutely.
Do that,
yeah. No, I'm not denying that. But something...
How much of an ego do you have?
Yeah, right.
Going out like, I need to show this person up. He needs to know what he's missing.
You're right.
I am better than you, sir.
You're right. But there was a part of me for some reason deep down in my heart that knew this person was not being ironic.
That's one thing I don't get. I don't want to crap on people too much with different car styles or whatever. But one thing I don't get is when they have like real big brand loyalty to the point where they have stickers and badges all over their car. And it's like if it's an Audi or it's a Volkswagen or a BMW, like they put BMW stickers everywhere. Yep. Or like put M everywhere.
Or do the 2 blue 1 red stripes on everything, like on the grill and the hood and the wheels.
Yeah,
power.
I think that maybe stems from it's usually so I don't want to get too into the weeds here, but I've seen a lot of immigrants do this. I mean, especially like a European immigrant from where I am, and they love to accentuate these things so they can show people, hey, this is the car. Like, look at this car. Yeah. But I don't understand it. I actually like a clean look. I actually took the vinyl wrap off my Supra.
Did you?
Yeah. It's.
I haven't seen that yet.
Yeah. Well, we can go check it out. But
why didn't you call me? I wanted to help with that. I love unwrapping vinyl cars.
You want to unwrap the vinyl when I'm gone? You can do it.
Oh, it's not done.
It's like halfway done because it was like a million degrees outside yesterday.
Yeah. Well, every day.
Yeah.
Every day.
Yeah. That's what happens in Florida. The good thing about it is I didn't need a heat gun. Yeah.
Nice.
So I was like, I could use a heat gun,
or just let it sit in the sun for 5 minutes.
Yeah, or I could just bring it outside.
By the time I'm done frying this egg on my driveway, it'll be good to go.